The tug-of-war over the House speakership has come to an end after a meeting with President Duterte. House Speaker and Taguig Representative Alan Cayetano will step down from office. Marinduque Representative Lord Alan Velasco takes over as House Speaker. It happens on October 14, the last session day of the House before going on break. This was confirmed by Ron Monsayak, the Executive Director of Velasco's party, PDP-Laban. Before the meeting, a manifesto declaring support for Cayetano's leadership circulated in the House. More than 200 congressmen signed it. Even if Cayetano relinquishes his post, he has a ready fallback. Politiko source said he is eyeing to become the first secretary of the soon-to-be-formed Department of Disaster Relief. The source said Cayetano is unlikely to stay in Congress under a Velasco leadership and would rather return to the cabinet. He was appointed by Duterte as Foreign Affairs Secretary in 2017. Cayetano, however, resigned in late 2018 to run for Congress.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.